How are you all? I think you all are good and safe at your home. Students, today we will do our light chapter, and up to now we have completed light, reflection and refraction of light. Then terms related to refraction we have completed. Then laws of reflection we have completed. What are the properties of image formed by plane mirror we have completed. Then type of spherical mirror we have done. There are two type of mirror. One is concave, another one is convex. And the terms related to spherical mirrors also we have done. And we have discussed how the rules of reflection of light through spherical mirrors are followed. So I think today you are ready to draw the diagrams related to concave mirror. In concave mirror, we will keep the object at 6 different places. First one is at infinity, then beyond C, then at C, between C and F, at F, and between F and P. These are the diagrams. When we keep the object at infinity, then we are going to get the image which is real and inverted, highly diminished, point size, and formed at F. What is F here? That is principal focus. Then if we talk about the case when we keep the object in beyond C, real and inverted image will be formed, and it will be between F and C. Diminished image will be formed. At C, in my previous video also I have told that if we keep the object at C, then it will be same equivalent to the height of object will be equal to the height of image. C is the only point where we are getting the same image, same size of image as the size of object is. Okay. Then between F and C, if we keep the object, then the nature will be real and inverted beyond C, and it will be magnified. Then fifth case, if we keep the object at F, F means principal focus. The image formed is real and inverted. At infinity, the image will be formed and it will be highly magnified. Then between F and P, it will be have virtual. It is the only last case is the only case where when we keep the object between F and P, we are going to get virtual and erect image that is behind the mirror, and the nature of this will be magnified. So I think all 6 cases are clear to you, and here is the table that shows that where we will keep the position of object and where we are going to get image. Then size of the object, earlier it was highly diminished, then we will find diminished, then same size, then enlarge, then highly enlarge, and then again enlarge, behind the mirror, virtual and erect. So in our previous 5 cases we are getting the real and inverted image, and in the last when we keep the object between P and F, we are going to get virtual and erect image. So I think these ray diagrams are clear to you. Students, this ray diagram will not you are not able to draw them if you draw it once. It required regular practice. So my advice is that you always follow the rules of this image formation and draw diagram, and then see that what mistake you have committed. Okay, you can have a look on with your book and please practice these diagrams. Now if we see uses of concave mirror, then concave mirror are used in shaving mirror, then torch, searchlight and vehicle headlights also we are using concave mirror. And you can learn by this also that in the mirror in which we are getting enlarged image, okay, that is the concave mirror. It is used by dentist also. We require large image for patient teeth in solar furnace to concentrate heat. If you see the nature of concave mirror, then it is converging in nature. How? It converts the rays at one point. And same way we can convert the solar rays also at one point, and in solar furnace we required high amount of heat which is here gained by our solar furnace. And in solar cooker also we can use concave mirror to maximize the heating effect of sun rays with the help of concave mirror. So I think the uses of concave mirror are clear to you. And next one is image formed by convex mirror. How the convex mirror images are formed. In this beta we have only two cases. First one is when we keep the object at infinity. You can see here, when we keep the object at infinity, we are going to get virtual and erect image. The size is smaller than the object and it is highly diminished and it will be found behind the mirror. The next, between infinity and p. If you keep the object anywhere between infinity and p, then you are going to get virtual and erect image. It is a little bit diminished but not highly diminished, and the nature will be virtual and erect. Then uses of convex mirror. Convex mirror have only two uses. Like for rear view mirror we are using this convex mirror. For example, you must have seen there are two mirrors present on both the sides of your vehicle. Whether it is a car, whether it is any automobile, or whether it is motorcycle, bike or scooty, you must have seen two mirrors are on the both side of the driver. These two mirror are convex mirror to maximize, to see that what is the traffic behind the you, to see. You can see that big vehicles can be easily reflected on this convex mirror. So if we want to see the high or large building or anything focused at one mirror, so the mirror use is convex mirror. Then it is used for the device to check the thief in the shop also. If we are not able to see every each and corner of shop or road, then this type of mirrors are used so that maximum area can be covered. Therefore such type of mirrors are called rear view mirror. Okay. Yes, students, in our next video we will do sign conventions and what are the rules which we followed to do the numericals of this chapter. So till then, thank you. Have a nice day.